Sorry guys, I didn't show you the whole process because video camera died. So more or less I just melted it, got it all melted, being very careful guys, it is hot wax. Of course I pulled the whatchamadoober out of the old candle, and I put my little stems in my pretty little stuff that I got. So I ended up, I had 3 of them. Ended up with, I'm going to clean those out. And I made, so a total of the 3 white ones, and I did a total of 3 of the little ones. Build them up. And I got this from Hobby Lobby. Of course it's not to show. Focus. Anyway, it's cherry blossom. Almost used the whole thing. Probably just should have finished it off. So, that's pretty good. 6 different candles for one little 1 ounce thing. So, as you can see, I'm starting a new project. So I wash them out. I spray painted them white just to get a base, but I'm going to try a texture on these. Try to make some white. Little gift basket. You can see I got a basket over there, so I'll probably show you what I do for the texturing. So, alright. Sorry about that. Like I said, I just carefully put this around the candle when I was pouring it. Just very carefully I poured it down in there. Use a skewer to stir it when it's melting in the pot. And you still got to be careful, guys. Turned out good. I wanted to make some candles with lavender. So again, I'm using the wax from Dollar Tree. I thought this one would be a pretty with purple in it. I don't know how many I'll need, so I'm going to start with these. And if it fills up, then I'll put one in this one. Got all the stuff. Got this one melting. Hopefully the video camera will work out this time. Last time I tried to tape it, it turned off. So maybe I can show the whole thing on this one, the whole process. So I'll bring you back. This takes a little bit of time to melt. You got to be careful. Look what I found, guys. I forgot I had these. Won't that be cute? I think that'll be cute. So hopefully I can fill these 3. And then maybe this too. We'll see. Still not a real good judge on how much those 2 will be. We'll see. Right now, as you can see, they're about halfway melted up there. Just taking it real slow. I don't want to break the glass while I'm melting. And got some of this lavender that I got this summer from my lavender, so I'm gonna add some to the bottom. Probably when I get it poured, I'll add some to the top too. These are just skewers, guys, that I just broke in half, and these two are the long wicks that I got out of these. I kept them, and I just tied it around, and I use these little dots that I got at Hobby Lobby. You just stick it, the wick to it, and then stick it down in the bottom. I also heard you can do hot glue, but I have these, so that's what I used. Guys, I just used this skewer to go down in there and get a hold of the, pull it to the top. And I'll save this. Just lay it here on the towel. Scoot this down a little bit. So it looks like one of them is done sooner than the other. The top of it's not hot, so look how much that shrunk down. And this is just, I used the cheap lavender from Dollar Tree. Just want to make sure it was all melted. Use that whole bottle because I figured it's not very strong. Looks like it might fill two of them. Smells good. Looks like I'll be lucky to fill these 3. We're going to save these, wash them out, use them for bases. Try to save as much wax as I can. This one I think is about as full as I'm gonna get it, so I'm gonna put some of these on top. Hopefully they don't sink down too much. I might wait a little bit till it cools off. Maybe they'll stay on top a little bit better. That'd be cute. See how I did that? Probably not. Let me bring you closer. Oh, it smells so good, guys. So it's, the wick is down in there. No, I had it. See, I just pulled it up from the side. And I don't touch the end there where that metal part is, because I'm sure it's pretty hot. Okay, it feels like it's all melted. Move you guys back here. We're going to pour it in that one first. And then hopefully fill that second one, third one. This one looks like it has a little bit more wax. I've got another one. So right now I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 at these days prices, but I guarantee you I got some of this stuff when everything was $1, so let's just say $5 at $1.25. So $5, and I'm able to make 3 candles. And I got the jars for 10 cents a piece at a garage sale. Not a bad deal. You'll see I need to move the wick over in this one. It looks like it got to the side just a little bit. And it looks like I might have enough to top this one off. And there we go. Move this one. There we go. More in the middle. We're gonna let them cool a little bit, and then I'll put some more of this on it. These turned out really cute, guys. I'll bring you back when these cool just a little bit. Guys, since it's halfway nice outside, I'm gonna go out and clean these jars. Soap. I have the hot water. I'm not gonna waste it. I think I've got, I don't know, 5 or 6 outside, so I'm going to clean them. I want to clean them in my sink because I don't want the chance of the wax going down in my pipes. Make sure it wasn't too hot. Put my hand down in there. Of course, Cooper's got to help. Here's these two. Let's go get the others. More than 6, guys. We'll just start with these. It's got an old bottle brush. Take these in and put them in the sink. Okay guys, let me clean up my mess. Here we go. Guys, I decided to put it there because it's hard to get in there to weed eat, and it's in between the barn and the shed, so I just figured I'd throw it in there. All right. So I ended up with 9 of them that I've been collecting all this time, so I can paint them, make bases like I did for my Valentine that I'm going to sell at my booth. You could use it for your own decoration. Same thing, I just did the textured paint with the baking soda and paint, and decoration guide. 2 in 1. You can use the candle and then turn around and use the base. Alright, thank you guys. Come back and see me. Of course, I pulled the whatchamadoober out of the old candle.